there. Water really going nowhere. Alright, these are 18, 19. This one's 20. This is 21. Water. They're on the rocks. Looks like there might have been a swale here at one time. Right there. And maybe it grew up with the grass, the sod. But because it's still, obviously it's not working. But if it could come right out there again, it could run wild in the street. And this ditch, again, needs to become a swale and empty out rather than dam up with a few leaves. No water really comes out that pipe much. It does a little bit, but the gutter's really not feeding it because it's clogged and it flows the wrong way. So that concrete dam doesn't do anything. It's the water already goes away. Maybe it would do something in some extreme thing, but the trough itself is full of leaves. Doesn't do anything. But here, once it gets to here, all this right here is all standing water under this grass. Okay, so that swale could go right here, away from the roots of the tree. Bring that away. The swale go right about there. So sculpt this down, reshape it. It would empty all this right here. I would take this away, and it would all nicely go out. All right. This one doesn't empty, didn't go far enough. This swale needs to continue down another 5 to 10 feet for it to empty properly. It's just standing water. It flows till it gets to this pebble pond, pebble ditch. And these dams still dam up. The water's getting there. So, there's standing water under these rocks. I don't know if you can see it. The rocks this is still standing water here. These guys are all still standing water. This is 96, 95. You've got several inches of water there, 2 to 3 inches of water, just hugging their foundation up against these trees. And this doesn't empty. The water's still there. And you get 2 inches easily. And then it gets to here. That's about it. It stays. That swale needs to go down there. It doesn't need to be rocks. It can just be grass. So, there you go. got 2 inches of water there still. That channel. This is all standing water still. The rock's just making it